One, two, three. Testing one, two, three. Oh my goodness. It's just as well we'd gone earlier, because I got some terrible problems. I've been trying to go. Oh, I can't believe this is actually working. If you can see and hear me, then maybe give me a signal report. Right, before we trust our luck to anything else, hopefully you got something coming down the line. All right, 59. Thank goodness for that. Right, I can press this button and you can hear what I'm hearing in stereo, remote at the farm. So the screen you can see, apart from my face, is Holly Farm's PC. Unbelievable. Let's have a little dial around. 1, 2. Right, we focus on this now. Hang on, F9 to transmit. Just testing, 7110 M0XXT. 1, 2. Now, the only problem we've got is that I can't get Jammy, Jami. It's got automatic noise cancelling going on. I've been trying to switch it off. I've got a ticket outstanding with them. It's a big config file. I've been trying to change it, and I do change it, and I try and switch it off. But every time I fire it back up again, it does it. You'll hear. It's like having a BHI speaker a lot of the time. I mean, it's quite pleasant, but I don't want the noise cancellation, the echo cancellation, and all that. Anyway, I'll let you hear it, see what's going on. Let's just see if there's someone there. Mike 0 X-ray Tango 7110 M0 XXT listening.
2 Echo 0, very heavy bloke.
2E0, very heavy bloke. John, you're going to have to make up a different one. VHB, you sound great, okay? I don't know what your signal report is. John, my ALC is a wee bit high, but I haven't got time to fix that. I hope you can hear me okay, John. You're kind of 58 to 9, I'm sure. 2E0 VHB M0XXT.
M0XXT, 2E0 VHB. Cheers, Callum. Yep, you're coming in a very solid 5.9 to me, so whatever you're doing is working, don't change it. I hope you're enjoying your holiday. From 2E0,
Did you hear the noise cancellation coming in there? Yeah, fine business. Okay then, John. I've got to try and remember hit F9 to transmit and F10 to stop, but I can only hit F10 to stop about half a second after I've actually stopped because the screen and the button presses on my remote are about a quarter of a second faster than my voice for some reason. But there we are. John, all the best, mate. Thanks for saying hello. I'm going to see who else is about, if that's okay. Have a great weekend, mate. Over.
Cheers, Callum, and I hope it's all very successful for you and enjoy the little bits of what's left of your holiday. Good luck, and I'll catch you again soon on the band, no doubt, Callum. M0XXT from 2E0 VHB, 73 Cal.
Yeah, 73 is fascinating. I can hear the noise cancellation trying to creep through there. I've got a piece of software I'm running on my voice, but not a problem. I wonder about anybody else before we got to 20. 7110 M0 X-ray Tango. Oscar Kilo Alpha. Whoops. F9. Sorry, I thought I pressed F9, but I didn't. But anyway, you're lovely and strong down in Torquay, Aaron. M7OKA, M0XXT.
Roger, I missed the first part you said then. Yeah, you're 5.9 plus 5 when it's coming in good, Callum. Have a good weekend, mate. 73.
Yeah, so Aaron, I am giving you a 59. You're not on the meter, but you sound great. No problem at all. M0XXT.
Mike 0, Mike X-ray Delta.
I got something that sounds like Mike 0, Lima Sierra, but I also heard a Delta. Go again.
Mike 0, Mike X-ray Delta.
Mike 0, Mike X-ray Delta. There's a new one for me. Hello, nice to meet you. You're fine. I'm giving you 59. I don't think you quite are, but you sound great. I wonder where you are and who you are and that sort of thing. My name's Callum, by the way. I'm on holiday down in Cornwall, but I'm remote up to the Midlands. M0 MXD, M0XXT.
We met before I became an M7, and I've just got the M0 about 3 weeks ago. QSL?
Oh, blimey, well done, you M0. I've just read a note this morning. Apparently we're going to be issued with 1,000 watt tickets, Brian. So we'll all be buying amplifiers. Well, I won't, but I might need another one, I guess. Brian, whereabouts are you, over?
Thanks very much.
All the best, mate. Lovely. M0XXT. Oh, who's the Golf 5, please? Golf 5?
Germany 5, Sierra Tango United. How you doing, Cal?
I thought it was you, Stu. I'm blooming terrified, mate. I'm blooming terrified. I've got this half-second delay, obviously, because, I'm on wireless to 4G and then 4G through Vodafone up to the Midlands somewhere via a couple of microwave links, no doubt, into Holly Farm, then all the way back to here. Oh, someone at Vodafone's going to need a house point for this, Stu. But you sounded great, by the way. M0XXT.
Yeah, lovely, Cal. Well, you're 5 and 9, 100 watts. I did turn the amp on, but it's not warmed up yet, Cal. So don't need the kilowatt just yet, HI. And trust you're having a good holiday. Best I've ever heard you from home. I can't hear anybody else, but you're absolutely banging in today, Cal. It must be the perfect path between us.
Amazing. Just at the tail end of your over then, my noise cancelling started to come into effect. It's quite pleasant. In fact, there was a guy who disappeared into the noise the other night, and the software was that clever, it got rid of the white noise, and I could just hear him. But anyway, Stu, I won't hold it, mate. I'm absolutely terrified, but well done, your 100 watts, doing a 59. G5 Stu, M0XXT.
Yeah, all the best, Cal. Thanks for taking the call. 7-3.
Thanks. M0XXT.
Mike Whiskey 0, Alpha Echo Victor.
Mike Whiskey 0, Alpha Echo Victor. Lou, it's always a pleasure to hit on you. You're always, lovely and strong and always great audio. I'm remote today, Lou, and absolutely blooming terrified down in Cornwall up to the Midlands, we're on 4G. Back to you, Lou, M0XXT.
Okay, Cal, nice to hook up with you today. You're doing an excellent job.
Hi, Rowley.
Now and again, but you're 5 and 9 plus 10 here, 5 and 9 plus 10 in the village of Llanbedrog on the Seine Peninsula up here in North Wales. Okay, Cal, let you go. Many calling you there. Send me from Wales, my friend. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye, mate. All the best, Lou. Mike 0, X-ray, Tango.
Mike 7, X-ray, Alpha Tango.
Mike 7, X80. There's Steve in Newcastle. Hello, mate. How are you doing? Very strong, 59 over.
Thanks, Cal. You're 20 over with me. And, no preamp either. You're clipping a little bit, but I expect that's obviously with the many connections you're going through. But sounding great here in Newcastle under Lyme, over.
Right, well, if I'm clipping, that's because I upped the... It's about 4 or 5 volume controls from here all the way through the software, if you know what I mean. I haven't been clipping, but about 15 minutes ago I realised that if I'm streaming on YouTube, I needed to increase the volume by about 50%, and I'd run out of, I was on 100 on a few things, so I had to dig deeper and lift it up somewhere else. Because I've got to balance YouTube and my radio all at the same time. But there we are. Thanks, Steve. All the best now. 73, over.
It's just breaking up the transmission. I've sent you a quick video on Instagram, actually, in your message, so just check that out. 73's, Cal. Have a great one. Glad the weather's good for you down there.
It's not surprising it's dropping out. I'm using up all the bandwidth here, so don't worry about it, really. It's all a bit of fun, a bit of experimentation. It's only because you've got to remember I'm streaming as well, so I'm having to pump out another 3 megabits, 3,000 kilobits per second out of my stream at the same time to YouTube, at the same time as I'm sending all this up to Holly Farm in parallel, So, but don't worry about it. All the best to you. M0XXT.
Golf 0, Alpha, Italy, X-ray.
Oh, yes. Hello, David. Down in Penzance. You're not very far away from me physically, of course, David, but I'm here in I'm virtually in the Midlands, as you probably worked out, David. I'm playing remotes with 4G, you know. Lovely day here. A little bit of cloud, but about 20, 21 degrees, David. G0 AIX M0XX
And nice to say hello. Same weather down here. Enjoy the rest of your stay. 73G0 Alpha, Italy X-ray.
Diamond, all the best, David. Thanks very much indeed. Right, anyway, 20 M0XXT. I'm trying to hit the end button. Oh, there's a radio sugar.
Mike 7 Foxtrot.
Yeah, M7 FRS. Yeah, hi Ben, lowest stuff. Ben, you're 59 down here in Cornwall, mate. M0XXT.
Also up here in Lowestoft, lovely day up here as well. Won't hold it because obviously you've got a few others calling you, but nice to wait you again, mate. You take care, have a good weekend. 7-3.
Yeah, Diamond, all the best. I'm up to 20 metres now, so all the best, fellas. M0XXT. While I'm doing, before I do anything, let me switch you off there. Let's, I want to change my, to stop me clipping. You can't see what I'm doing. Oh, yes, you can actually. My output. This is the output to the radio. Device properties. Here we are. I'll just turn it down, can't I? So we're on 28 there. I'm going to bring it right down to about 15, 14. And I reckon if I just hit transmit now. Send. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, still plenty. Still plenty of ALC. Right, 20 metres. Let's let you listen to what I'm doing again. There, isn't it? Let's go mono, so you can only hear my left ear for a minute. And we'll just find a clear frequency. We'll just see what the band's doing. I'm just flicking around. Where do you think we should go? 262? I normally go a bit higher, don't we? You know, there's a hell of a difference when I'm streaming. Normally this is a lot more responsive, do you know what I mean? But I'm using up all the bandwidth with the stream. Right, what have we got going on here? Left ear is very quiet. I'll just leave it there. Noise reduction off. We'll take the broadcast off as well. Let's just get the amp tuned up. Hello, 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, you're coming out of my speakers here. There's that many buttons you got to muck around with. I can actually hear you coming out of the laptop then. 1, 2.
1, 2.
So that's the delay. You probably heard that on monitor. 1, 2. Yeah, it's not too hot, is it? It's a frequency in use, 14282. It is, John. We are munching all the way. Let's have a little bit more power. Tiny bit. F9 to transmit. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Just checking the frequency's clear. CQ, Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray Tango. It's a blooming nightmare, this, isn't it? QRM 282. Is that okay? We'll move in a minute. M0XXT listening. Zachary says, can you put the stream in potato mode? Let's go down to. That sounds horrible here. Take both VFOs to. Oh, somebody calling CQ. .287. 14.287 is the frequency in use. Just checking the frequency's clear. M0XXT. Yeah, Nathan, and we could do that. We could reduce all sorts of things, and I could have less of a screen. But you know, are we all going out rushing it? So if you're in America, let me just pause this. If you're in America, we've just had notice that our organisational body is recommending that the UK, full tickets will be allowed 1,000 watts. What are the intermediates allowed, Nathan? Do they go from 50 to 100, and then foundations from 10 to 20? I think it seems about right. Not quite sure. 100 watts. And what about foundation, Tim? I wonder. I have to upgrade to a 2K now. Lovely. All right. Anyway, let's go back to the stream. 1, 2. 1, 2. So I hit F9 to transmit, and if there's enough bandwidth, when I hit F10 it stops. Otherwise it doesn't. And I've got to grab my mouse. Hello, CQ. Mike is 0. X-ray Tango. VK4 VO says no propagation to VK4 Banstead. M0 X-ray Tango. M0 X-ray Tango. CQ. Over.
9 Alpha 0 Alpha 9 Alpha 0.
9 Alpha 0. Alpha, I think. Yeah, hello, you're better. 5758. Name here is Cal. Charlie Alpha Lima. Cal, I think it's 9 Alpha 0 Alpha. Is that your call sign?
No, negative, Callum. It's 9 Alpha 0 Alpha. 9 Alpha 0 Alpha operator. Call up personal call 9 Alpha 3 Bravo Charlie Whiskey. We are working the remote here from Croatia. The station is in Croatia. We're located in Friedrichshafen in Germany at the head.
Okay. So how do I spell your name, please? What if you're still there? How do I spell your name? Over.
Yeah, name is Philip Foxtrot, India Lima, India Papa. Personal call 9 Alpha 3 Bravo Charlie.
Yeah, okay, Philip. Yeah, I can hear the remotes with you, actually. All right, Philip, well, you're about a 58 in my ears anyway. Thank you so much. 9A, 0A, M0XXT, 73. Yeah, thank you so much, Philip. Over.
Okay, thank you very much, Callum. Wish you all the best.
Lovely. I spelled Philip with a PH, not an F. Mike 0, X-ray, Tango. Tambit, did I hear you? TVI, go ahead. Negative. Who is the Echo Alpha?
Echo Alpha 5, Juliet, Mike
QSL. EA5 JMMN. Juliet Mike November. You sound good. You know, you're certainly 57, 58. I'll give you a 58. It's Callum here, C-A-L, or just Cal. That's my DX handle, you know, Cal. And I'm on holiday in Cornwall at the moment, remoting back to my station. I'm doing a bit of a test. EA5JMN, M0XXT, over.
All copy, Callum. John, the name's John. My other call sign, which you have spoke to me on, was Echo Alpha 5 stroke Golf 7 November Fox Kilo. I managed to get my Spanish call sign through this week. You remember EA5 stroke G7NK. Very well. You're down in Cornwall. Fantastic. Have a good holiday, buddy. M0XXP, EA5 at Juliet, Mike November.
Okay, John. Well, congratulations on your new call sign. I know I was asking about it. So that's fine. Yeah, G7NFK, I remember. Okay, John. Well done, mate. Lovely to copy you. EA5JMN, M0XXT. Have a good day, old boy, and well done. Thanks. M0 X-ray X-ray Tango.
United Radio 3, India, Florida.
United Radio 3, Italy, Florida. Hello, Leo. You're about a 55 here, 5 and 5. Yeah, it's Cal. A hot sunny day, southwest England. Over.
Okay, this is you for India, Florida. Time for 5-5. Are you coming in 5-7? I 5-7. I'm very glad to be and I'm working you for you too. Bye-bye, Callum.
Yeah, bye, Leo. Thanks. Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray Tango.
Delta November 1 Tango Lima QRT.
Delta November 1 Tango Lima. Yeah, hello. You're about a 55. Name is Cal Charlie Alpha Lima. Over, over.
Roger, Carl. My name is Peter. You were saying 5 and 9. 5 and 9. Very good modulation, Carl. Over.
Yeah, thank you so much, Peter. You take care. Good luck, my friend. Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray Tango. Anyone else on 20? Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray Tango. 0XX Tango listening. What is your call? CQ, hello, Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray Tango. Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray Tango listening. I might try 15 actually. I've had some fun on 15 this week. Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray Tango. M0, XX Tango listening. Echo Alpha 1 Fox, again.
Okay, good evening, my friend. It's Echo America 1, Florida, Canada, Germany. 59, La Coruña, Cuestel.
59, thank you so much. Echo Alpha 1 Fox, Charlie Golf. 0, X-ray, X-ray Tango. My name is Cal, Charlie Alpha Lima. Cal, you're 59. Over.
Okay, Charles, okay. 59 for you. 73, hasta la vista, amigo.
Haha, fantastic. Thanks, Sir Ramon. Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray Tango, listening.
0XX Tango,
Oh, got somebody recording me. All right, I'm going to QSY M0XXT, thanks. That's fucking arseholes about, it really is. They ought to take the pills I'm on. Actually, I haven't taken my pills this morning. 1, 2, 3, testing. 2, 21273, making sure the frequency's clear. M0XXT. I think somebody was playing me back, Stu. M0 X-ray X-ray Tango. M0 X-ray X-ray Tango. Got a lovely view here, by the way. M0 X-ray X-ray Tango. M0 X-ray X-ray Tango. I don't want to put that on the space bar. I might stop streaming or something. M0 X-ray X-ray Tango. CQ over.
Bandscope 1.
Bandscope 1? We don't want that. Hang on a minute, I'm still transmitting. CQ over.
Oscar, Zulu 4, Hotel, Juliet.
Yeah, we've got Oscar Zulu, I think it's number 4, Hotel Juliet. I think it's Jimmy. OZ4HJ. I heard Echo Alpha as well, stand by. OZ4HJ, Jimmy, you sound good. 58, 59, I'm sure, over. Jimmy, you still there? M0XXT.
Yeah, you're fading in and out. You're 55, but I can hear you.
55, okay, mate. Yeah, we'll go 55 both ways, Jimmy, with QSB, no problem. You take care. 73, Jimmy. Over.
Yeah, thank you, and have a nice vacation.
Thanks. There was another caller. Who is QRZ?
Echo Alpha 5, Juliet, Mike, November.
Hey, John, we did it again. So we've done 15 and 20 today with your new shiny call. What's it like having your new call sign, John, over? Excuse me. Yeah, fine. Bit of QSB. But you never know. I had a lot of fun yesterday afternoon. In fact, I've been doing most afternoons and most evenings. Really having a good time. I'll see you, John. You take care. See you next week. M0XXT. I put you down at 5 and 8. I think it was 5 and 8. But you were for 59, so I'll just hold you at 59 if that's okay. Lovely. Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray, Tango listening. Anyone else on 15? Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray, Tango. This is a fun time. I can hear you on 40, but not the other bands, says Steph. Well, I'm sure, actually. 10's probably not open yet. Let's just have a listen up here. Ooh, do you hear? Hear that noise cancellation? It's quite interesting. It just kind of shuts it down. There's James. Jimbo, 888 28. Bandscope. Ooh, there's something up there. What's that? Oh, there's something down here as well.
I'm very sorry, but hope we can have a longer chat next time. 73, 73, schönen Tag wieder.
Oh, 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. Why's my amplifier not doing it?
7 Victor Quebec Echo. LA.
1 2. 1 2. 1 2. Yeah, hold on. Let's get this amplifier's not playing along. Might need a little bit more power. It doesn't normally. Let me go a couple of kilohertz further down.
We'll see
from this guy.
What the meter says on the next row.
1 2 3. 1 2. Mm-hmm. Remote. No, I wasn't reading anybody's remote. Let's go back to standby. Into operate. Never had this before, so it's probably some remotey thingy. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, I know what's happening. It's happened before this. I'm on the wrong antenna, right? Antenna. What antenna number? That's that one there. Oh, preamp's a bit loud. Take that off. Oof. We've got a lot of delay here. Nearly 1 second on the clicks, key clicks, you know. So now we should be able to fire up the amp. Hello, 1, 2. There it is. There's the amp. It's all working again. Oh, let's go and find this bloke. He was just up from here, wasn't he? See that noise cancellation? It's just dialed it all away.
Yeah, G7 VQE LA5ZO. Yeah, very fine, Dave. And nice to see you again.
What was his call?
Before on 17 on CW.
He sounds Finland, doesn't he?
This is our second contact. So very fine. Yeah, I was just looking at the picture there of your mast. I have a.
Anybody know where this fella is?
Looks a bit like that. My mast is
I reckon he's finished.
Square aluminium pipe. It's 120 by 120 millimeter. But I've got an.
He's definitely lived in Scotland for a while. Listen to him.
Which holds the rotator and the antenna pipe. So I can crank that up to 9 meters, and the rotator pipe is about 2 meters, so max height is 11 meters. So if I want to lower
LA5, is it?
down,
Okay.
I can get it down to.
He's not on a cluster.
Apex of the house, and then I have to tilt it over. From,
so let's just store him,
being horizontal,
and then we'll come back in a minute.
I've made a.
Oh, latency's come down. 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. M0XXT 28450. Is the frequency clear? Hello, CQ 28450. Mike 0. X-ray Tango. M0XXT. Mike 0. X-ray Tango. 0 X-ray Tango. 0 X-ray Tango. CQ hello, Mike 0 X-ray Tango. Now hit F10. 0 XXT listening. We'll try that LA5 in a minute. 0 XXT. See you, John. 0 XXT. Mike 0 X-ray Tango. 0 X-ray Tango. Thanks, John. 0 X-ray Tango. CQ, over. Right, let's go back to LA5, whatever he is. I think we're listening to his counterpart, aren't we? Oh, yeah, Rob, I forgot about 17. Let's go 17. So you're in stereo, left VFO, right VFO, and I'm using a product called Jami, Jami. Looks like this. I'm basically in a telephone call now with myself using Jami. All right. So that's how that works. Just make sure I haven't missed anybody here. 1, 2. Hello. Testing 18150. Is the frequency clear? 0xxt. An AM station on 7100. Oh, there's the old days. CQ, hello CQ. Mike 0 X-ray X-ray Tango. 0 X-ray X-ray Tango. I'll let you see out the window. 0 X-ray X-ray Tango. 0 X-ray X-ray Tango. 0 X-ray X-ray Tango. CQ, hello CQ. What have I done? 0 X-ray X-ray Tango. CQ, CQ. 0 X-ray X-ray Tango. 0 XXT. CQ, CQ, CQ. 0 X-ray X-ray Tango. Sugarbaker 5 X-ray. Now, I recognise the call, but you're not in my log. SB5X, yeah, 57, 58, maybe 59, I don't know. My name is Cal, Charlie, Alpha, Lima, Cal, and just having some fun today. Sugarbaker 5 X-ray, 0XXT.
Thank you very much, Callum. I watched your videos for a while and not see on the frequencies until now. Thank you for that. I followed you now, but this is the best so far. So now I got you in the 5, 6, 5, 7 in Sweden. Over.
Yeah, Johan, I think it's about 57, 56, 57 both ways, my friend. But very good. Bands up and down. I think it's a bit better later in the day. It's a little bit difficult in the middle of the day, Johan. But hey, see you next time. Great call sign, Johan. Sugarbaker 5 X-ray, 0 XXT. Over.
Thank you very much, Callum. See you again on the frequencies, and it's nice that you have this video live DXing. Thank you very much, Mike 0 XX Tango Sugarbaker 5 X-ray. See you, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye, Johan. Thank you so much. 73, it's been a pleasure. Mike 0 X-ray X-ray Tango listening. Somebody wanted to know what happened with Sonobus. So Sonobus didn't have universal plug and play, and the port forwarding not perfect. And Jami was. It took me 48 hours to work all this out when I came on holiday. But anyway, I got Jami working now. I do prefer Sonobus. 0xxt 18150. Picture out of focus. Excellent. Paul. Hit the F5 button if you're on a PC. Mike 0 X-ray X-ray Tango. We are streaming at, I'm just checking, HD. But anyway, 0xxt listening. I think we'll go down to 20, then we'll do 40 again. 0 X-ray X-ray Tango. Last call, 18150. Mike 0 X-ray X-ray Tango.
Papa Alpha 3 X-ray Lima.
PA3 XYL. Hey, great call sign. And my first contact to the Netherlands on a 17 meter band. You're 59, no problem. My name is Cal, Charlie Alpha Lima, and a very hot day today in southwest England. PA3 XYL, great call sign. M0XXT, over.
M0XXT, Papa Alpha 3 XYL. Very good afternoon, Carl. I'm pleased to meet you. I'm 17. You're also 5 and 9, and my name is Christina. Mike 0XXT, Papa Alpha and 3XL.
Listen to that dual stereo on your ears. Christina, yeah, very fine. Very strong. Fantastic. Lovely to meet you. It's been a pleasure. I'm just having some fun on the radio and see who else I can pick up. But if you hear me again, Christina, please say hello. Very fine. Nice to meet a YL on the frequency, Christina. Okay, PA3XYL M0XXT.
Thank you for the nice contact, Carl. I'd love to meet you again on the other men's. Mike 0XXT, PA3XYL. Bye-bye, Carl. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks, Christina. You take care. Good luck. 73. Have a good weekend. Anyone else on 17 M0XXT? Oscar Zulu. Is it Oscar Zulu 4, Hotel Japan? I think, is that you, Jimmy? Over. Yeah, okay, Jimmy. Hey, listen, you're only you're 5 and 1. Maybe no, you're 4 and 1, Jimmy. 41. Over. Okay, 55. Thanks, Jimmy. Good luck. 73. It's been a pleasure. Anyone else on what frequency? 18150. Mike 0XXT. Listening.
Delta Lima 1, Echo Lima Uniform.
DL1. Sorry, wrong button. DL1 ELU. Oh, very strong. 59. Name is Cal. It's my DX handle. My real name is Callum, but easy to say Cal, C-A-L. And I'm in southwest England on holiday. DL1 ELU, 0XX Tango. Over.
Yeah, KCL. Thank you for calling me. The handle is Chris, Charlie Hotel, Romeo India Sierra, the short form for Christian. Christian is the forename. The KTH is near Hamburg, approximately 100 kilometers northwest of Hamburg, right at the mouth of the river Elbe. The city is called Cuxhaven.
Can you hear the noise cancellation working?
Report for you, 5-9 plus, very strong, very good audio. Rick here is an FT891 that I have just installed in our camper van, and the antenna is a quarter wave vertical on top of the roof. Mike, back to you. I forgot the call. I'm listening to sorry for that. This is DL1 here you're listening.
Very good. Yeah, it's Mike 0 and X-ray Tango. It could be X-ray, thinking about it, but it's just X-ray Tango. Oh, Christian. Okay, I will only call you Christian on Sundays, but since it is a Friday, I'll call you Chris. All right, Chris, you take care. 73. Thank you very much for calling in. DL1 ELU M0XXT.
Yeah, Roger, 100% copied. Thank you very much for the nice contact. And hope to
Yeah,
call
the
you again. 73, bye-bye.
noise cancellation needs to lift the volume as well, doesn't it? Thank you so much, Chris. 73. 0 X-ray Tango. I think we've done 3 bands today, John. EA5, JMN, M0XXT. You're about at 51, John, over. Yeah, you nearly dropped out on me. I'm so sorry, John. I'll see you next time, old boy. Well done, M0XXT. Anyone else on 17? M0 X-ray X-ray Tango. Okay, nothing heard. I'm going to go to 40, I think. I think I'll do 40. M0XXT. Well, chaps, I can't believe this... I'll just shut that up a minute. I can't believe this... the 4G's actually held up. Do you notice it's about half a second to a second, isn't there, delay? Because it's got to get there and back, hasn't it? So my key click, it's got to get there and it's got to tell me it's clicked. But I do find a video stream is slightly quicker than the audio stream. Not interesting. Whatever. Let's listen to what's going on again. I think there's someone still here, isn't there? We'll go up a bit. Hello. Hello. 1, 2. Too much power. Just bring it back down to about there. 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing. Just checking the frequency's clear. M0XXT. CQ, hello, Mike. Oh, I remember why we moved now. Because that daft idiot came along. M0XXT listening. 2-0 again. Nathan, yeah, I've got you. I've had you better, of course, this week. I've had you a lot better. Middle of the day is not so hot, is it? I'm peaking it looks like at about 300 to 350 watts, Nathan. But how's it going anyway? M0XXT.
Not bad, mate. And kind of edging towards the proposed new limits a little bit. Not quite there, but I'm maybe a little bit above 50. I don't know. Accounting for coax loss, of course. Yeah, I'm very excited about these proposed changes to the license terms. You have a good read through that document. There's some great stuff in there. Some great stuff. So I implore anyone in the UK to respond positively to the Ofcom proposals. I think that it'll do the hobby wonders if they get it applied. Over.
Okay, fine. So, out of all I will read it, I promise you. Out of all what you've read, what are the 2 or 3 very positive things that you like about it, Nathan?
I think the main ones, anyone can operate a repeater without applying for an NOV. I mean, it's fairly low power. I think it's limited to 5 watts. But imagine what that could do if someone wants to, climb a summit and activate an area for everybody. You could create quite a big, net on 145, for example. So then there was the power limit upages. So full gets a kilowatt, and intermediate gets 100 watts, which means everyone can make full use of the 100-watt radios, which is ideal.
Yeah.
And airborne use, I think that's quite exciting as well. So you can do a lot of experiments with that in terms of like throwing drones up with repeaters on it, or all sorts of stuff that we've not been able to do before. I think the whole piece is really exciting. Over.
Yeah. Okay. I buy all that. I mean, the power limit is. Yeah. I think I've always thought intermediate should have a 100 watts. It's ridiculous to have them to dial back. A 7300 to 50. But anyway, and the repeater business is brilliant. Bit of airborne, really good. Kilowatts, fine. Well, my thoughts on power. If you've got a full license and you know what you're doing, and you're not letting everybody's burglar alarm off, do it. I mean, at home, I used to have to back off to 150, 200 watts. Otherwise, the burglar alarm next door would go. And any more than that, then next door's stereo would pick me up, things like that. So you just have to. I just did a workaround, If they're out, I'd do more power, and if they weren't, I didn't, But okay, so that's fine. So what we need to do is put a response in. Is that what they're soliciting? Is it, Nathan?
Yeah. So there's a form that you can fill in an email. It's a Word document. You fill in the responses to the proposed changes and email it to them. So think it's a good idea to encourage people to do that in case some of the older hams sort of resist the changes, which is always a danger. You can't change that. It's been like that since 1930. So, it's very exciting, though, very exciting.
Well, indeed, I like this whole VHF thing and a repeater business. I mean, that sounds a lot of fun, and the 5 watts. In fact, does that mean that Kenwood's Sky Command system would work again? Wouldn't it? You could do that. You could, I think, I'd have to read the rules, but you could operate HF, from your cell phone a mile away, something like that. I don't know. 1401. Nathan, I think I'm going to bail out shortly, mate, because I've got to get a kip, and then we're going to travel back tonight, I think. 0XXT.
Safe travel. This is our third depot this week, so whether you're bailing or handing it over to someone else, I'll say 7-3, mate. All the best.
Yeah, lovely. We've had a few this week, haven't we? All the best. I'll see you, Nathan. There was somebody called our call sign. Who was calling me, ever? Golf 6 Lima Sierra Bravo. I think that's Nigel. Imbued. I'm imbued. But Nigel, I'm using 4G on Vodafone to get all the way up to Holly Farm to come back to Bude again, because I'm sitting on Breakwater Road. Remote control, Nigel. G6 LSB M0XXT.
Yeah, good afternoon, Carl. Remote sounding really good, working well, and you've enjoyed a week of really good weather. I know where Breakwater Road is. We're not actually in Bude, we're just down the road from Bude, near Crackington Haven. But anyway, hope you had a good week. Back to you.
Yeah, you're right. It's been hot. I actually bought one of these very colourful umbrellas. I couldn't stand it. The heat was too much on my shoulders and my neck and everything. Wendy's going, "What are you doing that umbrella?" But anyway, I didn't want to overheat, basically, Nigel. Okay, I've made a note. You're near Bude. You're not in Bude, but yeah, we're in Breakwater Road. All right, Nigel, I'll see you, mate. I'm going to bail out in a minute and get some kip. But thanks for calling in. M0XXT.
Yeah, okay, Carl. Have a good journey back. Done it a time or two. Thankfully, stopped doing it now. Down here all the while. All the best. See you again. G6LSB.
Lovely. Any other last callers? M0XXT.
Michael 1 Delta Hotel Juliet, East Yorkshire.
East Yorkshire. There's Ian. M1 DHJ. Hello, Ian. You're sounding good. 59, old boy.
Yeah, 59 plus. You're absolutely belting out today. Better than yesterday evening. It was a little bit up and down last night, but sounding good today. Couldn't hear you on the other bands, though, have I?
Yeah, I mean, you're so loud. I can almost hear the mice chewing the carpets at your way, Ian. Very fine. All the best, mate. There was another. Listen, mate. I'll say 73. I'll rattle through a few. M0XXT.
Mike 0 X-ray Yankee Golf.
Mike 0 X-ray Yankee. Hang on, X-ray Yankee Golf. I think it was. Mark, yes. M0XYG. How you doing, Mark?
Yeah, good, thanks, Cal. I just thought I'd give you a weather report back up home. Sunshine's just broken through, buddy. 5 and 9 into the lovely county of Warwickshire, over.
I'm remote down in blooming Cornwall, mate. So it's been hot here as well. Mark, I can't hold it. There was a few callers, but thank you so much. See you soon, old boy. Bye for now. 73.
73, mate.
M0XXT. Golf Whiskey 4. Jog. J-O-G. Peter, Cardiff Way. Hello. 59, Peter, over.
Oh, excellent, Cal. Yeah, you're 5 and 9 with me. But we're virtually line of sight, actually, from Cardiff to your location, so I would expect a good signal. Excellent getting through, and wish you all the best. 73.
73, Peter. Well, actually, I'm remote back up to Warwickshire on the 4G network, but don't worry about it. M0XXT.
Yeah, I was referring to that, but we could probably work 2 meter simplex.
Ah, yeah, fine. Listen, I had a few callers that time, so all the best, Peter. Mike, Zero Whiskey something?
Mike Zero, Whiskey Papa Delta Cal.
Mike Zero Whiskey Papa Delta. Oh, Darren, hello, mate. How are you?
Yeah, very well, thank you, Cal. Coming good. Yeah, managed to put an MVIS antenna, and I'm getting into Holly Farm pretty well now. So you're 5 and 7 with me, 5 and 8, and in the peaks. But very good signal from you today. Hope you're enjoying Cornwall. Right, phone back to you, M0WPD, M0XXT.
Got you. So how high is it? Just a dipole? What, like 6-10 feet or something off the ground? Is it, Darren?
So it's a loop antenna. It's just running around the fence of the garden. So just 2 metres off the ground, and then coming into a feed point just above the back door. And I've wound a 4-to-1 Allen there, and that seems to be working all right for MVIS.
Top banana. Absolutely perfect. Yeah, great. Nice height. You lovely during the day. Darren, I won't hold it. There's a few callers, and I'm absolutely done in actually today. I want to get some kit before I travel up. So 73, all the best, Darren. Nice to hook up again. And I'll see you next week probably. M0XXT listening. I can hear there's a 2 Mike 0 in there. Who was the 2 Mike 0?
2 Echo 0.
Yeah, I'll take you.
2 Echo 0, Kilo Bravo X-ray. Good afternoon, Cal.
Yeah, 2E0 KBX. Hi, Kevin. I can't hold it, but you're 5 and 9. Absolutely solid over.
Yeah, you're also 5 and 9, Cal. Thanks for coming back to the report, mate. I'm glad you enjoyed your holiday, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for coming back, Cal. 7-3.
Yeah, bless you. 73. M0XXT.
United Radio.
There's Sam. Sam, once called you the motor mouth of the Midlands, Sam. You always got something to say, and you got a very distinctive accent, young man. But how the hell are you, Sam? It's Callum. I'm on Cornwall. Cornwall, Sam, down on holiday, but I'm remote back to the house. Well, not the house, actually, the factory, Sam. G6UUR, M0XXT, mate.
Yeah, Callum, I hope you've got your sun hat on and covered your back of your neck, young man, over.
Half the time I've had an umbrella out, Sam, over.
Yeah, well, you can come home to Holly Farm and sunbathe there, Callum.
Ah, brilliant. Mate, there's a lot of callers, but you loud as usual, Sam. All the best, mate. So I'll say 73 now. Any last callers, M0XXT? Zulu Lima Alpha, I think it was. I think it's Glyn Chesterway, M3ZLA. Lovely and strong, Glyn, over.
Yeah, good afternoon, Cal. Likewise, cracking signal up into Cheshire. I know you're working remote, but great to work you and sounding good. Back to you, Cal.
Lovely, all the best, 73, Glyn. M0XXT. I got a uniform Bravo. Make your call, please.
Yeah, Echo India 3, India Uniform Bravo. Good afternoon, Cal Manuel Sam, Sierra Alpha Mike, over.
Sam, I think we had a QSO last year, Sam, in September. But yeah, lovely to hook up. Good strong signal. I'll give you a 59. I don't know what you are really, but certainly 58. M0XXT.
Yeah, very good. Thanks very much for the 59. You're also 5 and
1, 2.
And remote station working very well for you.
Bless you, 73. M0XXT.
1 Papa India Romeo.
Oh, yes, M1 PIR. It's G, isn't it? G1 PIR. Dave up in Manchester, 59, Dave.
Yeah, very good afternoon, Callum. You just creep into the red. This is the best I've heard you for ages, over.
Amazing. And I'm just about to shut down as well. It's really loud. Dave, all the best. I'm not going to hold it. I'm just cracking through a few people, mate. 73. It's been a pleasure. Mike 0, X-ray Tango.
Golf 4 November India Zulu.
Golf 4 NIZ. There's a new one for me. 59. Name is Callum, C-A-L, or just Cal, you know. And I'm in Cornwall right now, but my station is in the Midlands. 0XXT.
M0XXT Golf 4 November India Zulu. Yes. Located near the town of Bourne in Lincolnshire.
running 10 watts into a long wire. And you're 5 by 9 hotel?
Yeah, in Lincolnshire. I think it might be Roger. Nice to meet you, Roger. And you 10 watts doing fine job, mate. 0XXT. I'll see you next time, Roger. 73.
73.
Lovely. 0XXT.
Golf Whiskey 1, Golf Alpha Uniform.
Golf Whiskey 1, GAU. Another strong station. Nice to meet you. Well, I'll give you a 59. It's Callum here, or just Cal, C-A-L, on holiday, but transmitting back to the Midlands via the benefit of having Vodafone's 4G here. GW1, GAU, 0XXT, over.
Yeah, Roger, Cal, no problem at all. You're 5 and 9 plus 10, 5 and 9 plus 10 into the city of Swansea. I wish you best 73s, Cal. I know there's a lot of people calling you. 73s, mate.
Lovely. Okay, Michael in Swansea, you take care now. Mike 0XXT. Delta Papa Alpha, stand by. G4, there was a G4. Make a call again, I'm sorry.
RNI, George. RNI, Golf for Romeo November India.
I've got you, George. G4RNI. Yes, I remember. Very, very kind. Lovely, strong signal. I'll give you a 59 today, George. Over.
Well, see, thanks, Cal. I'm playing with the ICOM 7100 today to see how it performs on HF. Giving the Mark 5 a rest. Over.
Yes, okay. Bit of QSB down to about a 54, 55. But no worries. All the best, George. Who was the other station I asked to stand by?
Mike 7 Delta Papa Alpha.
Yes, of course. M7 DPA. Alex, how the hell are you, mate? Over.
Oh, not too bad. It's not too bad. It's been a bit warm, isn't it? Just a little bit too warm. You're 5-9 into the windy city, and I shall wish you a safe trip home and wish you 7-3.
Ah, brilliant. Thanks, Alex. If you're 55 today on average, about a 55. M0XXT. Mike Whiskey 6 PQQ, and that's a new one for me. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I don't know. You're a whisker better than Alex. I'll give you a 56. It's Callum here, or Cal, C-A-L. And, well, back to you. W6 PQQ, M0XXT.
M0XXT, we spoke before, Callum. I have one of your Dixlanders. I'm also on your, probably on your friends list on the other little thing you run on. It's Carl in Anglesey, yeah?
Okay, fine. So I must have got you down as Mike 6 PQQ or something else. I don't know, but you have, for some reason you haven't popped up. But anyway, lovely to talk to you again. Have a good weekend, Carl. Over.
Yeah, cheers, Callum. Nice to hear you. Nice to speak to you again.
73 M0XXT.
Mike 0 Kilo Echo Papa.
Mike India 7.
M0 KEP. Tim. Wow, you sound great. Lovely audio there, Tim. M0XXT.
Thanks, Callum. M0KP returning. I've been messing around with the audio again, so I hope I haven't got too much low end in there.
That's just about right, I'd say.
Sounding really good on that remote station. 5 and 8 into Malvern, over.
Yes, of course. That's right. PhD land. Lovely. All right, Tim. Listen, mate, I'm going to take one more call, then I'm off. All the best, Tim. Have a good weekend. M0XXT.
Mike India. Mike 1, Alpha India.
Mike India, make your call again. Okay, Mike India, question mark, Hotel Oscar. Sorry, there's two stations. Only the Mike India, please.
Mike India 7 Echo Hotel Oscar.
Got you. Lovely. MI7 EHO. Great little signal. Absolutely doing a super job. I've just looked you up on QRZ in case we had a bit of a QSB. I think it might be Nigel, but lovely to talk to you. You sounded great. I mean, really strong. A good solid 5 and 9, Nigel. It's Callum here, or just Cal, C-A-L, M0XXT, over.
Yeah, Roger, Cal, it's getting a good strong signal here, 5859 into Northern Ireland, Cal, Roger.
Roger, all the best. Thank you so much. There was another call I asked to stand by. Please make your call.
Mexico 1, Fox Alpha, India.
Oh, I know you. M1 FAI. How you doing, Steve? You're sounding great over.
Yeah, not too bad, thanks, Cal. Yeah, apologies, I spoke over the other gentleman there. I just heard you calling for the mic in the India, and obviously we both had a mic in India, so there you go. But yeah, you're a good 20 over up in York, Callum, over.
Yeah, lovely. All right, Steve. Well, listen, mate, I'm going to shut down now. I've got to get some kit before I got a 4-hour trip tonight in the car. So you take it easy, Steve, and have a lovely weekend. M1 FAI, M0XXT. I'm now QRT. Thank you so much.
73 Cal, and have a safe trip. Bye-bye.
What do you think? It was quite good fun, wasn't it? I can't believe that Vodafone held that for 1 hour, about 1 hour 10 minutes actually. Reading through the odds and ends, seeing what's going on. Broken shoulder. So, Labcat. I didn't know you had a bicycle accident, mate. Sorry about that. Oh, heavens. Nathan, I just got to call Nathan out. He's been a real star the last couple of weeks, actually, helping out with all sorts of things, ideas. Even if it was just a confidence boost, make sure I'm doing the right stuff, you know. If you want to see me shut all this down, I'll show you what I do. It's pretty boring, but anyway. Take all that down. We will switch the amplifier off. I'll switch the radio off. Interesting, you took the mute off before it went. So that's gone. Do you wish to exit this software? Yes. Power off on the ACOM, we'll switch that off. So the screen you can see is actually Holly Farm. It's my PC at Holly Farm. But we will use the magic to switch everything off now. So we shut the PC down first. Here we go. Shut down. Yeah. Of course, we lose comms with that now. Right. ACOM, I'll leave that on for a moment just in case the fans are blowing. Power supply, shut that off. The 990, shut that off. And this is on the that little app I showed you last week before. Windows PC's drawing 0 watts, so that can go. I think ACOM's had enough. We'll shut that down as well. It's all gone. 0 power in the shack. And this is Chrome Remote Desktop. With that, I will say 73. My goodness, has that been boring or what? M0XXT. I'm now QRT. All the best. I'll hit this button and it's all over.